Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Volkswagen Golf. This is a Volkswagen Golf. I think 7 GTI. 5, 6, yeah, 7. Okay. I'm really confused with Roman numbers, guys. I'm sorry. Okay, so this is a 2023 version actually. Packaging or if you may. So I bought this for 349, which was the MRP at that time. So let's unbox this and see how this one looks. Okay, I don't even need a knife for this. See, ripping something out of your hand always feels good because you are actually touching and feeling it, right? I don't know how you guys are taking what I said just now, but I'm talking about cars, specifically the unpacking of the cars. Oh my god. Okay. So here is the card art. The card art looks really nice. As you can see here, it is showcasing the moving part, and here are the car's details. Okay, let me just put this aside. Let's go to the casting now. We close this. Okay, so out of the box, the casting looks really good. This is a 2023 casting. Okay, obviously I do have some scratches here on the roof. So this particular shade of black and the glossy black, these are not really good when it comes to having it in a casting. This is going to showcase even a little scratch very well. I don't know why they are doing this. Okay, but apart from that, the paint job, green paint job, it is a mild glittery green paint job. It looks absolutely beautiful. It has acrylic headlights. The logo placement is perfect. It has grill details which is a little bit embossed and painted on, not bad. And you can see the door handles here, rear view mirrors, fuel filler cap, tail light details, the logo placement here. It is a bit hard to focus on that because of green with silver paint job combination, but it is there. And the interior looks absolutely nice, as you can see. It is really very well defined, and you can see the wiper details here. Let's see if this has a rear wiper detail. So it doesn't have. Okay, let's open this part now. Okay, it is easy to open. Looks really nice. You can put your finger in it. Okay, this has suspension. Okay, the body is fully metal and the chassis is fully plastic, and it has suspension. Let's weigh this casting, maybe around 30 35 to 40 grams, 39 grams. That's good. Okay, this is not going to roll really well, but let's try. Okay, for a Majorette it does it does roll really good. I don't see even any wheel wobble. It still reaches end of the track. Okay, that is good. Good. Okay, let's rate this casting now. It has all the detailing to it. I really don't see any necessity to reduce any points here. So 10 out of 10, honestly. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.